Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg Art and I'm back with another custom drawing again for Josh Duncan. This is order number 5 from Josh. He's such a huge supporter, which I really appreciate. And this is his original character, which is not anime related as you can see. And Josh wanted me to redraw this in my style, full body with swords and aura and all in black. Alright guys, let's see what I will come up with. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can start. Let's go.
For a minute, everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so dumb. Everybody know what flow I'm on. You already know when the click come through to the shit, then it's about to be a show rerun. I go so dumb. Everybody know what flow I'm on. You already know when the click come through to the shit, then it's about to be a show rerun. Yeah, everybody run. Everybody know we run. Yeah, you already run. You already know we run. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I go so dumb, go so dumb. I click come through to the click come through to. I go so dumb, go so dumb. I click come through to the click come through to. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so dumb. Everybody know what flow I'm on. You already know when the click come through to the shit, then it's about to be a show rerun. I go so dumb. Everybody know what flow I'm on. You already know when the click come through to the shit, then it's about to be a show rerun. Yeah, everybody run. Everybody know we run. Yeah, you already run. You already know we run. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. I go so dumb, go so dumb. I click come through to the click come through to. I go so dumb, go so dumb. I click come through to the click come through to. looking back, 'cause tonight will make it right. Take a chance, living life for just one night, no looking back, 'cause tonight will make it right.
So guys, there is a final result. I think the drawing looks pretty good. As you can see, I drew him all in black, added a nice reddish aura to him, and drew a mountain background to make it complete. This was actually pretty difficult to draw, especially the line work was tough for some reason. Maybe because of these scales on the arms and legs. But Josh is very happy with his drawing, and that's the most important. Of course, let me know in the comments what you think, and hit like if you enjoyed this non-anime related drawing today. If you also want me to draw your characters in my style, contact me on Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com. Make sure to check out my other channels and also check me out on Patreon for real-time drawing tutorials. All the links below. That's it guys, thanks for watching and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.